Oregon can confiscate your guns under new law if they consider you an extreme risk. In an unprecedented move of ruthless tyranny, Oregon Governor Kate Brown has just signed into law a Democrat-backed document which allows the government to confiscate guns without any prior notice. The law, based off of Oregon Senate Bill 719, has faced massive resistance from Republicans and Oregon citizens alike. Despite this, the local governments managed to sign it into law. Oregon is no longer a free state. This new anti-Second Amendment law permits government officials to order the confiscation of guns, simply based off of hearsay evidence. There is no actual evidence required to order this confiscation, and before the gun owner is even given a hearing. Worse yet, the only way for the gun owner to get his gun back is to file a case and prove his innocence. This is Orwellian, and it must be overturned by the Supreme Court. If this law begins being enforced, step by step, inch by inch, civilians will lose their Second Amendment rights. It's also a direct violation of the 14th Amendment, which gives United States citizens the right to a formal hearing before their property is seized. All persons born or naturalized in the United States, and subject to the jurisdiction thereof, are citizens of the United States and of the state wherein they reside. No state shall make or enforce any law which shall abridge the privileges or immunities of citizens of the United States, nor shall any state deprive any person of life, liberty, or property, without due process of law, nor deny to any person within its jurisdiction the equal protection of the laws. The 14th Amendment of the United States Constitution specifically condemns this new Oregon law, as it does not give citizens the due process of law before having their Second Amendment stripped out from underneath them. Despite this massive overreach of the state government, zero mainstream media outlets have reported on it. Not CNN, not MSNBC, and not even Fox News has covered this story in depth. It's high time that this go viral, so that the people of America know what's happening right under our noses. 2A News, a popular Second Amendment rights news outlet, reports. On Wednesday, Oregon Governor Kate Brown signed into law a Democrat-sponsored gun confiscation bill, permitting Oregon judges to order guns to be confiscated under an extreme risk protection order, based on hearsay evidence, and before the gun owner is permitted a hearing to challenge the order. The law is based on Oregon Senate Bill 719 and was passed by Oregon Democrats despite widespread condemnation by constitutional scholars and gun rights groups. All but 4 Democratic senators voted in favor of the bill, while every Republican senator but one voted against the bill. The sole token Republican voting for the bill, Senator Brian Bockwist, R. Dallas, Oregon, claimed the law would reduce veteran suicides, and it was under that noble-sounding purpose that Democrat legislators steamrolled the bill through the legislative process. Paul Phillips, president of Oregon Gun Owners, noted the hypocrisy and the underlying purpose of the bill. The bill, he says, will do little to prevent suicides. What it will actually do, under the guise of suicide prevention, is deprive Oregon gun owners of their legal rights under the Second Amendment. Gun confiscations, he says, will be based on hearsay evidence alone, and the firearm owner is not, even, privy to a fair trial. This is how these bloody Democrats always put freedom-destroying laws into place. They appeal to our feelings, and lie to us, making us think that the law will prevent some sort of damage or evil from being done, when in reality, it's only infringing upon our rights. Many have already contacted Governor Kate Brown here, to give her a piece of their mind. We, the people of America, must stand up against this tyranny. Millions of men shed blood to give us the rights that we have, and we must not let their sacrifices go in vain. I am calling upon every single American man, woman, and child, to help this article go viral. Every single person in this great country should know about what's going on right underneath our noses, at this very moment. It's time for the people to wake up, and snap out of our complacency. It's time for us to take our country back. Thank you for watching this video. What do you think about this? Share this on Facebook and Twitter along with your comments.